iQOO introduced the Neo 8 smartphones in China earlier this year, offering the 16 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. Back in June, they launched an upgraded variant with a whopping 16 GB of RAM and 1 TB of storage. This enhanced version was earlier listed on JD.com for pre-orders 2 weeks back. Now it is officially set to hit the market at 8 p.m. with a price tag of $342. The device was initially priced at $505. The 16 GB RAM 1 TB storage variant of the iQOO Neo 8 shares the same specification as the other variants. The difference in pricing stems from the increased RAM and storage capability, making it appealing choice for users seeking greater memory and storage without compromising on phone's other features and specs. The key specs are 6.78-inch 1.5K AMOLED screen with 2800 1260 pixels, a smooth 144Hz refresh rate, and a brightness of 1300 nits. It comes with Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC and Vivo V1 Plus chip to reduce power consumption by gaming by up to 14.2%. It has a large 5002 square VC vapor cooling, which is 125% larger than the predecessor. It has a 50 megapixel main camera with 2 megapixel depth sensor and 16 megapixel camera on the front. It has 5000 milliampere battery and comes with rapid charging of 120 watt support.